Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to close your positions or position right here on IG Crypto. So first of all, what we're going to do is we go right here to the left where you will find right here positions. And then you will find right here a list with all the positions that we created. Now we can click right here on close, and then you can decide right here how many contracts you want to close. So you can do one, but you can also do complete everything. And then, you need to decide that for yourself. And then once you know what you want to close, you can click right here on close. And then you see right here that we closed or trade for 5 contracts with a little loss. So it was not that good. But hey, this is a demo account, so it doesn't matter. And let's say we want to close right here 1 contract instead of 2. Then we do 1 and then we do close. And now we still have 1 in business right here. But this is how you can close a position or maybe positions. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.